It was a quick junker run. Got a few parts for the Mighty Max. Like I mentioned before, any parts I don't use, I will be putting on the socials to offer up, sell, trade for the Mitsubishi Mighty Max community. Okay, so here we are at the local pick and pull. I saw online they had a 1994 Mitsubishi Mighty Max. You don't see those too often, so we're gonna go in and check it out, see what it still has, if it's bare bones or any useful parts. I'm gonna grab a few things that I might not need, but I know they're wanted out in the Mighty Max community. So let's see what's in there, and also check for other cars. I always check things for the Civic, things for the Lexus. And for my close friends, always check out on their cars, see if they need anything. So let's get suited up. Got my tools. Let's check in and go to the junkyard. Well, the Texas heat killed me. The Mighty Max had a few good parts. Most of it, nothing that I really needed. I did pull out a few parts to have as spares, maybe to offer it in the Mighty Max groups on Facebook and whatnot. So once I'm done picking what I do want, the rest I'll just put it up for sale, for trade or giveaway. Other cars I went to see, nothing much going on, nothing too important. But well, after 3 hours is good enough. I got a few parts. I like going to the junkyard, but damn, it's too hot. But well, all done. Heading back home. CoverAll out. Well, here we are a few days later, and here are the parts that we took off the Mighty Max down the local junkyard. Like I said, there's still a few good pieces. I went with the Civic, so I don't have much space to take big stuff like the hood. The hood's pretty good. Might go back and try to pull that out. But yeah, this is what I got so far. Let's take a look. We have these cab side trims. Most of the clips broke off, but that's normal. Then we have the cowl trim, little grill inserts. Those are pretty good as well. Most of the clips are still intact. We also have a sun visor, at least the good one, and one of the clips that goes on the roof. I also have the window moldings. Mine are a little bit beat up. These are a little better. These are actually worth fixing and painting. Then I got these windshield wiper covers for the bolts, for the nuts. The fuse box cover or lid. Got the hood side bumpers, keep the hood a little propped up on the sides. Positive side terminal, fusible links, a fuel relay, radiator cap. We got the coil and the fuel sensor attached to this metal bracket. This cool Mitsubishi Motors owner's manual case Comes with an owner's manual and a maintenance booklet. I thought it'd be nice to have it. Original car look. And I got 2 seat belts. One of them is very good. Passenger side is very good. The driver's side always frays a little bit. Either one is better. I'll just swap them out with the ones I have on the truck. That's pretty much it. If I have a chance, I'll go back to the junker, and if the hood is still there, I might pull it out just to have it. That one's a little better than this one. Not by much, but it is better. Like I said, any spare parts, I'll just hold on to them. If anybody in the Mitsubishi Mighty Max community need a part, I'm willing to sell for cheap, trade. Just throw a comment down below if you need any of the parts you see here. I'll see which one I don't need and I can offer them up. Well, that's all for today. Here's a quick little junker run video. Still trying to get a few parts in before I do a full video or installation or upgrade. And if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. We'll be continuing with the Mighty Max and a few other builds. I have one right now that I'm working on. It's a big addition to the CoverAll fleet. Trying to get it up and running so we can have a nice big vehicle for the channel and to do a lot of projects. I got many videos coming for the Mighty Max, for the Lexus, for the Civic, and this new build. So stay tuned. CoverAll out. Other than that, there's no cool to move around bigger stuff. Me cago en la madre. This is for the. Thanks for watching. CoverAll out. Nieta, este cabrón gallo.